Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph tutorial video. In today's Delph tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix getting disconnected from Roblox. Let's get into it. First, check and restart your internet box. The first step is to check the main internet box in your house to make sure it is sending a strong signal to your device. If your home box is tired or clogged up, it will drop your game connection. Walk over to your main Wi-Fi, pull the power wire out from the back, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Watch the little lights on the front of the box blink until they all turn solid green or blue again. You have to refresh this box so it can wipe away any temporary network bugs. Without this step, your internet might stay slow, and the game will keep throwing you out onto your main desktop screen. Next, close other apps in the background. You need to check your computer or phone screen and shut down any extra programs that are eating up your internet speed while you try to play. Look at the bottom of your screen, find any open web browsers or video apps, and click the X button to close them. Make sure your game is the only big program running on your device during your play session, because having too many web pages open at the same time steals the internet energy away from your game. By closing those extra windows, you give all the power back to your game blocks. It ensures your device can focus entirely on keeping your character connected to the server. And that's it. To fix getting disconnected from Roblox, you must first restart your main internet box at home. Then, you close all other background apps on your device. You can also delete the temporary junk files inside your folders and don't forget to update your game to the newest version to lock in the fixes. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.